All right, so you are ready to 3D print for the puzzle box. You've got 3 parts you'll need to print. You'll need to print the crank and 2 axle bushings. Let's go ahead and go over how to get this process started. So you're going to go to File, Save As, Save Copy As. Make sure that you choose to save this. So here we're going to go into the shared folder. And we're going to go into IED. Now each period has got a folder set up. What I'd like you to do, and for the puzzle box, I'd like you to right click, create a new folder, your name. This is where you're going to save your 3D printed parts and your parts for the laser. All right. Now the file name is crank. I'm going to actually add a little extension on here. I'm going to say _mm. And here's why I'm going to do that is because I need to save this in millimeters. So click on the options button, and right here you should choose millimeters. Click OK and save. And now that file is ready to go on to the next step of 3D printing, which will be in another video. But you need to save your files as an STL.